Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. Okay, first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the workout menu, and here scroll through the list of workouts and find the workout you want to start. Once you find it, you can tap on it. Here you have a tutorial how to wear your watch, and now you should see this screen. And we can tap on go.
Workout started.
You will hear the prompt that will say workout started. You can press and hold to customize the data sheets or data pages. You can tap on one and select the data being displayed, like that. And once you're done customizing your data sheet or page, you can scroll through them by swiping up and down. I believe you can edit all of them, so if you press and hold on this one, you can also change it if you want to. So you can basically adjust this to your liking. Okay, you have different data pages, and then you can also swipe left and right. So if you swipe right, it will open the metronome page, and here you can start the metronome. You can also select the type or how many beats, or every 2 beats, or every 3 beats, every 4 beats. You can select the audio track or reminder, and you can also select the BPM, and then you can tap on the start to start the metronome. If you swipe left on the workout page, it will open the music control, and here you can control the music basically on your watch, because you can have the music directly on your watch, or you can also select different device to control the music on, for example your phone, if you like to. Okay, to pause the workout, you can press the crown button. You will hear the prompt, and here we have the option to lock the touch screen, decrease the volume of the broadcast voice. We can resume the workout or stop it, so basically it will stop completely. To resume the workout, you can also press the crown button, and if you press the lower button, it will basically skip the pages. Okay, now I'm gonna start the workout, tap on the check mark, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.